Hey everyone, and welcome back to Ghost Aviation. Today we're gonna do the impossible and butter the Boeing 777-200 ER. It's almost impossible to butter this thing due to its size and the landing gear. So today we're gonna try. Let's do this. It's just loading. Just pause this, cause time. Alright guys, I'm sorry for taking you back to the start menu. I just forgot to set this to approach, start type, approach, thermal. Okay, so it's already done. Okay, that's fine now. Whoop. Oh no! Okay, that's fine. Oh man, it takes so long. Okay, there we are. Let's do this. Oh no.
Okay, sir, at the 12 south to the left base, runway 1, turn a 3-mile final for me.
Give it some flaps. Okay. So far, so good.
40, going to maintain 16,000.
Down to 16,3040, United. 8 heavy.
Okay, I'm coming in a bit fast, but we'll handle it. And I've messed up.
3 on right. 2 Delta, that was correct. 3 on right, American 168. Thank you very much for the early transit, sir. Appreciate it. Maintain at below 1,000 till departing Delta airspace. Good day.
Light slow.
400.
Okay. We're off the center line, but that's alright.
Delta 1984 having New York approach, expect factor speed, visual approach, runway 31 left.
Oh god.
1981.
Light slow.
Delta 1984 having turn right heading 170, descend to maintain 16,000, altimeter 3040.
Light
200.
Light slow.
Will I make it?
Light slow.
319.
Doubt.
And a speed 180, contact tower on 123.9.
Light slow.
23.9, we're slowing to 180.
Light slow.
50. 40. 30. 319. 20. And a speed 180, contact tower on 123.9. 23.9, we're slowing to 180.
Oh god, that was a horrible landing. Anyway, we made it. Right?
King 7 Papa Romeo, runway 1, clear for takeoff.
Just stop. Jesus Christ. I am so embarrassed right now. That landing was awful.
King 4, Mike, Kidabo, continue on the ILS, altimeter 3039er. There'll be numerous departures off runway 1 prior to arrival.
Just
American
stop.
62, heavy descend to maintain 2,000. Turn left heading 360.
Explain. Yay. Oh god. There she is. My favorite aircraft. And also my best friend's favorite aircraft. By the way, you guys should probably check out E-Express. I'll put his link in one of my videos sooner or later. Let's go. See how this looked. Okay, so far. Yeah. Come on. Not too hard. Don't touch. Not too hard. Not too hard. Come on. Not bad, not bad, not bad at all. I mean, yeah, that was actually pretty good. Yep, I'm proud of myself. Very proud. Absolutely. Beautiful. Yeah, what else we should try out? Let's try out another thing, huh? Let's do this quick. Which plane, which plane, which plane? Nope. The McDonnell Douglas. Oh, yes. Oh, sorry. Gosh, internet went out. Just do... Ooh. Okay, let's try out the McDonnell Douglas. Yeah. Right. Alright, there we are in the McDonnell Douglas. Yep, I give some flips going. Looks good. Nothing to see. Everything's normal. Oh, this is so slow.
Delta 1990 New York Express, good afternoon.
1,000. Yes, 1,000.
Reduce speed to 170, contact tower 119.1.
Okay, let me give it some power. Shut up! Jesus Christ, that was very irritating.
31 right. 227 right, American
500 till we touch the ground. You guys should probably subscribe. I mean, guys, I only have like 3 or 2 subscribers now. You guys should subscribe. Subscribe. Yes, 400. There we are. Yeah, that's butter. The McDonnell Douglas.
300. Okay, 3 mile final, Kirby, left base, runway 1524, please. 200.
Sync rate, 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 sync rate.
20. 10. United 8 Heavy.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Oh my god.
90 frequency change, disregard that 70 wave 1 squawk VF4, altitude your discretion below Bravo, frequency change approved. American 1262 Heavy, descend to maintain 2000, turn left heading 360. Hey, heading 178 down to 160, 3040, Delta 98, frequency change, disregard that 70
Okay,
wave
that
1
was actually
squawk
pretty
VF4.
good. Let's check out the replay. Why isn't this working? What? Okay, let's see. There we are. Okay, come on, come on. Huh, that was a rough landing. Okay, there we are. Beautiful. Alright, that was all for today, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below. Goodbye from Ghost Aviation, and also check out E-Express videos, you know, that little dot, the little one there. E-Express, he's pretty good at Minecraft and code, but, you know, I'm a flight simulator guy. Subscribe and leave a comment. Goodbye.